Xperia 1 Mark 5 from Sony the Sony WH-1000XM5 or WH-1000XM5. Wow, it's really black. Made for iPhone and iPod, Alexa built-in and Google Assistant. Wow. Whatever this is, 3,360. Oh, this is a bit, feels slippery, interesting feeling on this. This is paper-like, and this is slippery a bit. High-res audio. High-res audio. 30-hour battery. Yeah, noise cancelling is pretty strong on these ones. Okay, nice. It's really like, that's how they came all together. No case for the phone. They don't have the case yet, so, but they might have it soon, so I might get the case with the stand for this. We could start the unboxing. Unboxing time. Well, let's do the unboxing. Okay, let's do the unboxing.